In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $600, $900, and $1,400 commissions over and over again with a done-for-you digital business in a box. So all you got to do is set up your business one time. I've been building this business for over a year. I've made multiple five figures, thousands of dollars with it. So I can tell you all about it, right? So you just got to set up your business one time. And then after your business is set up, then you're just plugging into our community for training and support. We have a big community of over 57,000 people where you get daily millionaire mentoring and you get live interactive mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners like 2 to 3 times a week. And then you can also join my community too for even more help and support. So all the help and support that you need, you have it. You can join my community, work with me personally, and you can join our big community as a bonus that you get. So like you can't say like you have a lack of help. You can't say that you have a lack of support because you have an abundance of it, right? So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk. And I help everyday men and women build 6 and 7 figure online businesses around their schedule. Okay, so you set up your business one time, you plug into our community for training and support, then you're following a 2-hour workday, which I follow myself. So basically all you need to do every day to build your business is you're posting content on social media, you're going live, you're attracting people, you're building your email list, and then your automations do the rest of the work for you. Okay, if you don't want to go live, then you can just create more content. You can just focus on creating content. You don't even have to go live. Some people have a lot of success and they never go live. Now, I like to do both because I feel like lives just help me get better at speaking. And the better you get at communication, well, the more money you're going to make in life in general. Okay. So if you want to check it out, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link is in my bio. Put your email in, check your spam, check your promotions, check your junk folder for the word blueprint. And then once you're inside of my automations, just look around because the same automations that I use are the same automations that you get to use. Okay. So now let me just share my screen. I'm going to show you how this business looks, how it works and everything, right? So let me share my screen real quick. Okay, well, here's our community. But let's say when you get started, so you're going to have like we give you these templates. Okay, you're going to get a sales funnel. It's going to look like this. Okay, you're going to get a sales funnel like this. So we give you all these templates. Now you can edit it however you want. See, I edited my template a little bit, right? They give us like a faceless template, which like they just had, random, like a picture of just random people, which you can use that, that's fine. Or you can edit it if you want. Like I put my own picture in there because I just think it's a good idea to brand yourself. So like, how did I figure out how to put my own picture in there? I just went to ChatGPT. I was like, hey, ChatGPT, can you show me how to edit this website a little bit? And then I just followed ChatGPT's instructions that told me how to put my picture in. And yeah, it's pretty easy. So like you can put your own picture in, or you can use the templates that they give you. It's up to you, right? So what happens is this is a capture page. People go there, they put their email in. So you're building your email list, right? That's what you want to do. This is what all the top earners in the world, have email lists. Look at Amazon. They also have an email list. Okay. So if you're part of, if somebody's sending you offers inside of their email list, that means you're part of somebody's email list, right? So you got to, instead of just being part of other people's email lists, you got to build your own email list. Okay. So people go to your capture page, they put their email in, and then they go to the next page. Okay, this is how the sales funnel works. Now they're going to watch this video. Now this is my friend and mentor, Michelle. So she's doing the selling for you. So people are going to watch this video and the videos are doing the selling for you. So you're not getting on the phone with people. You're not cold messaging people. You're not communicating with people. The only time I ever communicate with people is like sometimes through email. And if like someone's asking me, like if I post a piece of content on social media, we do something called a CTA. So I'm like, if you want to learn more, comment yes, and I'll share the details with you. So if someone comments yes, then I respond to CTAs. I respond to emails if I have any. And if I'm on my live and people ask me questions, that's pretty much the only time I communicate with people. I don't get on the phone with people. I don't message people. I don't need to. Okay. So the video is doing the selling, and then there's different wins from the community testimonials. Okay. And then, so it starts here, people go here, they go here, and then they go here. This is your website. It's a done for you website. Now, again, you can edit these pages. We give you this website. You can edit it if you want. It's up to you. You can edit the colors, whatever, right? It's your choice. But this is what the website basically looks like. Unlock 10 streams of income today, earn 100% profit from a done for you digital business. Okay. So then like someone will click on this button and it'll take them to the checkout page. Now they'll go here and they'll purchase one of the programs. And every time they purchase a program, you earn 100% profit. So what are we selling? Right? We're selling digital programs in the e-learning industry. The e-learning industry is like $1 billion a day industry. It's education, it's information, it's training. Have you ever purchased some kind of educational program or course or training? Like I do it all the time. Okay. I always purchase different courses and stuff. So we sell programs. The difference between a course and a program is like we have mentoring, we have live interactive mentoring inside of our community to help you follow the program, to help you follow the training, right? So there's 10 income streams. There's 5 in English and there's 5 in Spanish, because our business is is available to people in Spanish too. So like if I click here, it shows people my Spanish website. If I click here, it takes them back to my English website, right? So that's what we sell, these 4 different digital programs. So you can earn $100, $300, $600, $900, and $1,400 per sale. And you get to keep 100% of the profit because this is not MLM. So if you want to make money online, you're basically going to have to sell something, right? Affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, drop shipping, e-commerce, fulfilled by Amazon. What do they all have in common? They're selling, people are selling something. So you got to learn how to market, right? So it doesn't matter what business you got to learn how to market. So we have 3 types of buyers. Like one person will purchase this program because maybe they have a business and they just want to learn how to market and attract more customers. The second type of person, they just want to learn what we teach. Like we teach you how to build an online business. We teach you how to do digital marketing. We teach how to build multiple streams of income. So maybe they want to learn how to do that. Maybe they want to learn how to create their own offers and market them. We teach that. And the third type of buyer, they don't really care about, like, they don't have a business. They don't care about like learning stuff necessarily. They just want to resell the programs and make money like that. They just want to make money by selling the programs. So 3 types of buyers. So which type of buyer would you be if you purchase one of these programs? I'm basically all 3. I had a business before this. I wanted to learn what they teach and I wanted to resell the programs. So I was all 3. Okay. How would an extra $1,400 a day per day change your life? Of course, disclaimer, results aren't typical. Everything's based on your effort. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It's a legitimate business. Everything is based on your effort, so don't be typical, right? We have 56,000 plus members in our community. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months, and we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days, okay? And then this is what sets us apart, is the fact that you get to keep 100% of the profit, and there's a certification training that you can go through so you become a licensed reseller programs. Like we teach you the do's and the don'ts when it comes to marketing these programs and digital marketing in general. And then our business is in English and then in Spanish. We teach you how to use AI to build your business, okay? And there's testimonies, videos that people can watch on your website. All these things are doing the selling for you. Here's your bio section. You just got to put your picture in. You got to put your bio in. You can just go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT what you're doing. ChatGPT will create a bio for you. You can edit it if you want to, okay? And then, yeah, I put some of my own pictures on here. See how I put my pictures? We show you how to do it. It's really easy. I put my other pictures too, just to brand it to me. Here's me again with my picture. Okay, so this is perfect for you if you want to learn how to make extra income online. You want to work from anywhere. That's what I love about this, is you can do this business from anywhere because all you need is Wi-Fi, your phone, and 2 hours a day. So you can literally build this business from anywhere. Okay. And this shows you why this proven process, like you're reselling other people's products, which is like what so many businesses do. Like Verizon, T-Mobile, they sell Apple phones and they make millions and billions of dollars reselling other people's products. So this concept of reselling other people's products is not new. And this tells like why like 100% like master resale rights, which is what this is. It's better than the other businesses like affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing. You earn tiny commissions. We earn 100% profit here. Okay, so it's explaining the different business models. And then here's where people can purchase one of your programs. Okay, there's the 1,400, there's the 900, there's the 600, the 300, and the 100. So if you want to get started with this business, or if you want to learn from the programs, you just purchase one of the programs and then you get started, okay? So if you want to resell the programs, you can only earn at the level that you're at, right? Let's say you're at the $1,400 level, then you have 10 income streams. You can earn 1,400, 900, 600, 300, and 100, okay? If you're at the 100 level, you can only earn at the 100. You can only earn $100 commissions. You can only resell the program that you own, okay? That's how master resale rights works. But if you start at a lower level, you can always upgrade. You can always upgrade to a higher level later. And just so you know, if you want to get started, or just so your customers know, they can get started with a payment plan too. There's a lot of different payment plans like Klarna, super affordable. Like you can spend like anywhere from like $18 a month to like maybe the max is around 60 or 70 a month. Okay. And here's another thing you need to know. All you need to do is get one sale. So let's say you start with the $1,400 program. All you need is one sale, and then you get your money back. Okay. Then your business is free. And then every sale after that is profit. We call it profit mode. Okay. So usually it takes people maybe like 2 weeks on average to get their first sale in general. Some more, some less, but like I got my first sale like 2 to 3 weeks as a brand new, like starting from scratch. Okay. And then you get these bonuses. You get access to our community for free. This is where you get daily millionaire mentoring and weekly live interactive mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners. Okay. Then you get all these other bonuses. Like we teach you how to create your own communities, how to monetize them. We teach you how to use Canva and create content. My first million in 17 months blueprint from Michelle. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan. You get your invisible empire faceless marketing. You get 200 digital products ideas. If you want to learn how to create your own digital product and market that, we give you 200 different ideas you can use. Okay. And yeah, that's the website. And there's frequently asked questions. So this is the website you get to use. I didn't create this website, but this website has made me multiple 5 figures, right? So this is a sales funnel. These pages are out there working for you 24/7. That's how you make money in your sleep. Okay. So if you get started with the program, let's say you get started with the program, you purchase your program, then you're going to have access to your program. Let me get that loaded. Forgot to load that. You're going to get access to your program. Excuse me. So this is where your program is. We store the programs are in Kajabi, right? So the program itself, it teaches you how to build an online business. It teaches you digital marketing. It teaches you how to build multiple streams of income, right? So you just go here, you start here, you go through the program around your schedule, okay? And then like phase one, it shows you like foundation, CEO mindset and clarity, because it's important to have a vision. You need to have a vision, and then you need to have a business, and then you need to take action if you want to make a lot of money in life, right? So that's just the science of getting rich. Vision, business, action, okay? So this is going to show you like your CEO mindset, right? How to develop a winning mindset, all that stuff. So that's the kind of stuff you're going to learn and more, okay? So, and also your certification trainings here, your bonuses are here. And one of the first things you need to do if you want to resell the programs, you got to set up your website. You got to set up these pages, right? It's one of the first things you need to do. So you go through here, you go to the website setup, and it's going to show you exactly how to set up these pages, right? It's going to show you the accounts that you need to open. There's videos that are going to show you how to do everything. Like, for example, one of the first things you need to do, you have to go to GoDaddy, okay? And you got to get a domain and an email address, which is super cheap. Like my domain is sevenfiguremonk.com, and my email is dan@sevenfiguremonk.com, okay? That's my professional email address, and that's my domain. You need it for like email marketing. You need to have a legitimate domain and email address. You need a business email for this kind of stuff. You're going to learn how to be like a pro. This is what the pros do, okay? Then you got to attach your payment gateways like Square, PayPal, Stripe. That's how you receive your payments, okay? Then you got to connect your pages. You got to connect your system to your website. So you just got to connect all these pages, and then that's it. You watch the videos, you set up your business, and then you're ready to go. Then you just got to promote your business following the 2-hour workday. Like I said, posting content, right? Posting content, going live. That's what we teach. So let me show you inside of our community. So inside of our community, we have 57,000 people. This is proof that our business works, because when I joined this community, we only had 9,000 people. Now we have 57,000 people. Like basically around 100 people join us every single day. So they join us because people like me are marketing the program. And the only way you can join our community is by purchasing the program. That's proof that this works, right? So what you want to do is just go and introduce yourself. You have the win section. You introduce yourself, okay? Right? Then you can post in whatever you want to introduce yourself, post your wins, ask questions. That's what you do here. Now, let me show you proof that people are making money. Okay, let me show you proof that people are making money by following what we teach. So Jolanda made $400 while she is sick in bed. Okay, she's sick, but she made 400 bucks. Okay. Have you ever made $400 in a day? Like I never did before this business. Now I've had $600 days. I've had $900 days. I've had $1,400 days. I never made $400 in a day at my job. I never had that job that paid me that kind of money. Never had. That's just me. Let's find another win. See, people post anything. Like she posted my first lead. She got her first lead. Okay, so people can post whatever wins they want to post, right? Let me find another money win though. Here's another one. $900, and look what she sent me. I don't know what she sent her. What did she send her? She gave her, I don't know, pizza. I don't know what she sent her. All right. Okay. Yeah, so there you go. Yeah, there's so many pages of wins. There's 30 posts per page, and we have 33,000 pages of wins. So there you go. That's like we have like 900,000 pages of wins. And if you go into the classroom, you get some more bonus trainings, right? You get all these extra bonus trainings, like the getting started training, the webinar replays, mentoring Zoom replays, mindset training, 30-day momentum map, content training, social media training. Like for example, you get a daily millionaire mentoring video to watch like this.
I'm your mind for success. And the identity that you need to lock in is I'm a customer creator.
So you get daily trainings like this. It's going to help you with your mindset, and it's going to help you create content. And then the community, In the calendar, we have like live events. Like right now, we have a system welcoming new customers. Okay. We have millionaire mentoring every Monday. We have tech supports. We have Q&A audits, like audits of your like social media, Q&A, social media audits. We have that. So you get all that social media Q&A, this kind of stuff that you're going to get. Okay. So yeah, there you go. So like I said, all you got to do is get started. If you have any questions, ask me. So go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link is in the bio. Put in your email, check your spam, check your junk, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. If you have questions, reply to my emails. If you want to get started, just get started. Okay. And yeah, so like I said, you got to set up your business, plug it to the community, you follow it to our workday. So we teach attraction marketing. We teach you how to use social media because it's free. So all you got to do, there's like 5 billion people on social media every day. So you post content, you can go live, you attract people, you build your email list, and then the automations do the rest of the work for you. Now, like, let me show you my social media page, for example. Let me show you like my YouTube page that I use. I use this to build my business. Plus I do other I use this to grow my community too, because I have a free community. So I use this to grow my community, and I just give people business tips, like mindset tips as well. So some of it's business, some of it's mindset tips, some of it's promoting my community or whatever affiliate offers. That's pretty much what I use my YouTube channel for. But most of it I use to promote this business. Okay. So I have all these videos, these long form videos that are over 10 minutes. Then I have short form videos, talking videos where I'm just talking for like a minute or something. I do like these little B-roll videos. It's like a B-roll video, right? Where I'm just like, I just record myself for 7 seconds. I put relatable words on the screen, and ChatGPT can help you create these words. And that's it. Short form videos. Then I go live, like I go live on YouTube and TikTok simultaneously. And then my lives are recorded so people can watch the replays. Okay. And then I do like written posts time to time, because you can also do that on YouTube. So I do like these written posts. Like this is just like proof that people are making money. This is like just like a value post, nothing to do with business. Value, nothing to do with business. Value. Okay. So like it's good to like do a variety of value. Sometimes you do value, sometimes you do business. Okay. So I showed you everything. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in the description. Check it out. Okay. Make sure to like this video, share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great day. I'll see you on the next video. God bless.